So today we are going to see that how can you present the presentation via Zoom. So the thing is that if you want to present any presentation via Zoom and you want to see your notes, so how can you do that? And so that the host, like the presentator who is presenting the presentation, like he or she is going to see their notes, while the viewer, so this screen is the for the host or the presentator who is going to present the presentation, and this screen is for the one who are going to join your presentation. So I have two screen, and in this way I can show you that how can you use the presentation option in the PowerPoint to such that you are able to see your notes. So let's see. So if you are going to share your screen, like over here, so I have a presentation open, and to present this via Zoom, so as you can see over here, I have these notes which are written over on this note like note bar. So now if I'm going to present this, so I will go for this slideshow option, and now I will just press the window key, and then I will go for this Zoom, and then I will share the screen. So for that, go to share screen, and then I will select this one, which is the slideshow, and click on share. So now as you can see, this is for the one who is going to present, and this is one who is going to, like, the viewer. So now as you can see over here, you are not able to see the notes which are present. So for that, what you can do, so let me stop this share screen option. Okay, so now what you just need to do, you just need to plug an HDMI cable to your PC. Okay, so now I have plugged that HDMI cable, and what I can do now, let's end this and again start that slideshow. Okay, so now as you can see over here, you are going to see your notes. But what happens if you are going to forecast this? So if you forecast this on via Zoom, so let's say like this, you can see that the viewer, they are also going to see your notes over here. So this is the presentator who is going to present, like he or she is going to see their notes, while the viewers are also going to see their notes, like see your notes, so which is not desirable. So the thing is that what you need to do, so when you plug this HDMI cable, now as you can see over here, you just need to select this one, like PowerPoint slideshow option, to share that. So this is one which you are like the presentator who is forecasting, so he or she can see their notes, while this one is the viewers, so they are going to see your presentation but not your notes. So in that way you can just use the HDMI cable and use this presentation viewer in the PowerPoint, and just forecast the original presentation. So in this way you can just use this option to share your screen of your presentation such that you can see your notes, while the viewers, they are not going to see your notes. Okay, so thank you.